Welcome, today in front of me Realme 9 and I'll show you how to change icon shape with X Icon Changer app on this device. So first we should go into the Play Store application, and after that tap here on the search bar and enter X Icon Changer app. So now we should get this application, so tap to install and then wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. And after that tap to open the app. Here now we can see all the available applications on our device, and now we can select one from these apps and to change the icon. For example, we can go with the contacts. We can rename this app if you want. I don't want to do that. Here we have the library with the different icons with the folders and different icons in these folders. Or also we can use our device photo. For example, we can use our device gallery, the previously taken of our device camera photos or downloaded, for example, from the internet. Or also we can use our camera app right now to take the picture. For example, I'll go with this default folders for icons with this, for example. Then just when you select the icon, just click here on the right upper corner to OK. And after that tap on the right upper corner to the OK, click here to add, and now we can change the next icon by the same way. When we'll go here now to our device home screen, we can see the new look of the contact icon. So let's just see the difference between them. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.